Namaste, myself Jevin Gaurav. Today we are going to discuss about the session temperature, respiratory rate and pulse rate. These are the vital signs that is measured in injured condition or serious conditions. In the course, patient care, positioning and immobilization in the PCRT section. Let me discuss about the temperature. Temperature. Vital signs are measured of the body's most basic function. The four main vital signs routinely monitored by medical professionals and healthcare providers include the following. First is the body temperature. One of the four vital signs is the body temperature. Second is pulse rate or heart rate. Third is respiratory rate. Fourth is blood pressure. Blood pressure is not considered as a vital sign, but is often measured along with the vital signs. Body temperature normal range in adult 97.8 degree to 99 degree Fahrenheit. Children में 97.8 degree to 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. Infant 99 degree to 99.7 degree Fahrenheit. These are the range of the body temperature of the children, infant and adult. Type of body temperature: core temperature. It is a temperature of deep tissue of body such as cranium, thorax, abdominal cavity and pelvic cavity. It remains relatively constant 37 degrees Celsius or 98 degrees Fahrenheit. An accurate measurement is usually done using a pulmonary catheter, not depend on environmental factor. Core temperature is not dependent on environmental factor. Surface temperature, temperature of a skin, subcutaneous tissue and fat. It constantly rises and falls in relation to the environment. It varies from 20 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius dependent on the environmental factor. Factor affecting body temperature is diurnal variation, circadian rhythm, hormones, gender, stress, exercise. These are the affecting factors of the body temperature. Measurement of body temperature: mercury in glass. Second is electronic thermometer, chemical thermometer, mercury glass. Mercury in glass means the mercury thermometer is we are using the mercury thermometer and electronic thermometer. And chemical thermometer, temperature sensitive strip. Sites commonly used in taking body temperature: oral, axilla, rectal, tympanic membrane. Pulse and respiration. Pulse and respiration. Vital signs are measured of the body's most basic functions. The four main basic functions routinely monitored by medical professional and healthcare providers include the following. Body temperature, pulse rate, heart rate, respiratory rate. Okay. Blood pressure is pulse rate is a wave of blood created by contraction of left ventricle of heart. Pulse rate represents the amount of blood that enters the arteries with each ventricular contraction. Pulse rate is two types: peripheral pulse, apical pulse. Peripheral pulse means pulse located in periphery of the body, pulse located away from the heart, example foot or wrist. Apical pulse or central pulse located at the apex of the heart. Normal range of pulse. Normal pulse rate varies depend on age. For healthy adult, the normal resting pulse ranges from 60 to 100 beats per minute. Sites commonly used for taking pulse: radial, temporal, carotid, apical, brachial and femoral sides are commonly used. Method assessing the pulse. A pulse is commonly assessed by the palpation or auscultation. 3 middle fingers are used for palpating all pulse site except for apical pulse. Stethoscope is used in assessing apical pulse and fetal heart tones. Doppler ultrasound is used for pulses that is difficult to assess. Respiratory rate. Next is the respiratory rate. Respiratory rate is the number of breath a person takes per minute. Respiratory rate is usually measured when a person is at rest and simply involves counting the number of breaths for 1 minute by counting how many times the chest rises. The purpose of respiration is to provide for the exchange of O2 and CO2 between atmosphere and blood. O2 oxygen is taken into the blood body to be used for vital body process, and CO2 is given off as a waste product. Normal range of respiration 12 to 20 rpm respiration per minute. Thank you. This session is over. This session is powered by Research Version 2.0 Jayati Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. Thank you.